9 divided by 3 bracket 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, this is going to give us 3 times this 3. This is going to give us 9. This 9 divided by this 9 is equals to 1. But this answer is wrong because according to the order of operation, BODMAS, we have to first of all solve the bracket. So this B stands for bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we have to solve this bracket first. If we do this first, we are going to have 9 divided by 3 times 1 plus 2, this will give us 3. Alright, so division comes before addition and multiplication. Alright, so we are solving from left to right. Don't forget, we are following the rule from left to right. So 9 divided by 3 is going to give us 3 times this 3. This is going to give us 9. This is the final answer to the question.